What's up, YouTube? Alright, so this is my 2005 Ford Focus, and last night when I went to start it up, I noticed a weird sound. And originally I thought it was a knocking sound, and I was doing a whole bunch of research and finding a bunch of videos on, other Focuses making similar sounds, and people are saying it's a cracked block or a bad valve or all that sort of stuff. So let me fire it up for you. So that's the sound. So if you hear this, reasonably you might think it's an engine knock. That's what I thought it was. I started looking around trying to see, because I didn't really want to believe that it was an engine knock. And I came across this right here. Not really sure what it is. Some kind of sensor or something. I'm not really sure. But it has this cover. And somehow it came loose. So all you do is pop this rubber cover back into place. And that's it. Once you get that back on there, the noise stops. So I hope this helps some people out.